Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if the add to cart button is not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. If you're using WordPress just like me, go to wordpress.com, and from here we can get started opening up the main page and our plugin section right here on the left side of the screen. In the plugin section you can get started finding all the plugins that you have been using with your WooCommerce store to set it up, and from here let's go and take a look at how to fix the problem we might be having with WooCommerce if our add to cart button is not working. So as you can see here, we have an article that we can go ahead and follow on how to fix the add to cart button in WooCommerce if it's not working. So what I suggest for you to do is read this article or any similar article and see what can be causing this. Usually it's some kind of theme conflicts or your plugin conflicts that are not working correctly. You're going to go into your plugin section right here, the left side screen, find all the plugins you have and disable them one by one. Once the problem gets rid of, the plugin you have last disabled is going to be the one that is causing it. So that's how you can go ahead and reveal which plugin is causing the problem, and after that you can go and disable it or contact customer support. So you can contact customer support, explain what the problem is, and they're going to walk you through step by step how to fix it, or you can go and try to fix it for yourself right here by using the solutions people have given us and how to go and fix and insert code into our plugins and website. So you can try any of the options, but I suggest contacting customer support as it is the most secure way. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.